Today on Taste Test, we are trying 4 Food Network stars nacho recipes. Tim, who do we have?
I think we have Rachael Ray, Ree Drummond, Guy Fieri, and Bobby Flay.
But we don't know which one is whose.
We have
nacho.
not been told, we have not been given any information. The answers are on these cards, which we will not look at. Any of these look like Rachael or Bobby or Guy or Ree?
You know, the cast iron skillet maybe made me think potentially Ree.
Skillet is saying farm Ree Drummond.
Right? Isn't that
away.
giving you some like good like home like country cooking right there? Yeah.
The steak is immediately jumping out at me. That's giving me Bobby vibe.
And I'm seeing some steak over there at number 4, so that's hinting towards Bobby for
I
me.
think so too.
All right, so this is number 1.
Number 1. Okay,
Ooh,
what do we
yeah.
have here? So it looks like some ground beef or maybe chorizo.
Some green onions.
I'm gonna make
sour
sure-
cream. We gotta get a little bit of everything in.
How do you feel about nachos just in general, like as a snack or a
I
meal?
like them, but once you get towards the bottom, there's not enough cheese ever on them.
I know,
you
that's my issue.
I got nothing on that one. That was just a blank chip.
You never want a nacho with nothing.
Yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
Well, I think
got
this
some
one's
sour
gonna be a
cream, I got some
successful one.
tomato.
These are great.
That's delicious. I really like this a lot. It's like the most classic nacho you could possibly have.
Making me think Rachael a little, just like
Right, that's
super
what I was gonna
simple,
say.
home cook, can do this.
Wait a minute. There's a little hot dog in here.
But what is this? Is this a hot dog?
Somebody put a hot dog on here. Was this hot dog supposed to be on here? This changes everything.
Now
I don't feel good about that.
I don't think that's Rachael then. I feel like she wouldn't just throw a hot dog in there. That's
No,
kind of
Ree's gonna throw a hot dog. Oh, or Guy.
Guy.
Guy Fieri.
Okay, number 2, we've got a variety of salsas happening, and it looks like some kind of queso on top.
We got some guacamole. We got.
Does that look like a blue cheese dressing? What
I
would you
was
say that is?
wondering. It looks like there's like a chive or something in
Okay.
it. I also love a blue corn chip with nachos.
It's true, and those are the only
Oh, I
one
cannot.
doing kind of a combo chip.
The green salsa is amazing.
Whoa! Did you see what's under here?
Show me.
Get in here. Get in close with this one. Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that cheese.
That's a lot of cheese. Getting a lot of Southwest vibes.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna,
I'm leaning Ree, or I'm thinking this could be Bobby.
this could also be Guy.
There's something about this like green salsa, the Salsa Verde, if you will, is making me kind of think Bobby.
This is like a place that you would stop at on the side of the road when you're doing your road trip. You got the top down, you got your hair back, and then you're like, hey, I need to stop for some chips. And then you get this. And then they bring it right up to your
Yeah.
window and they put it on the tray table. That's how road trips work, right?
You're really painting a good picture, and I think that that is definitely a possibility.
So these are like radishes. Are they pita chips? Is that what this is?
Looks like buffalo chicken, I'm gonna say. And then some jalapenos.
Yeah.
And some radishes.
Yeah.
And maybe like cotija cheese.
Yeah, are you saying that right?
I really have to say that I like the theory of switching up the chips, but they don't hold on to anything. I can't like.
No, you can't pick it up. The buffalo
No,
chicken's
I'm gonna have to eat
huge.
this separate.
And this one, you really probably have to work hard to try to get all of the great flavors in there.
You gotta get your fingies in there.
Yeah.
Don't worry
I want to
about
try that
getting dirty.
chicken thing and the jalapeno.
This is what we in the biz call an angel bite. It's got all of the things going on.
Oh, I love that. Okay, cheers. Almost there. It's gone. I finished it.
I'm so sorry.
I finished that.
That is delicious.
It is very good.
That is really, I love buffalo chicken. Anything.
Yeah.
I will say the pita chip is a little big, but I understand why you have to have a thick chip if you're gonna have this much stuff on
Yeah.
it.
This is just an interesting flavor combination. I've never seen radishes, jalapenos.
I mean, I think this could potentially be Ree's.
I think so too.
Only because I think that these flavors are kind of reminiscent of Ree.
It doesn't feel like Ree to me. Like I don't think Ree would do this. Ree is like classic. So I'm gonna say Rachael for this.
We have our last one here. This is the steak one that you referenced.
Yeah.
So let's get a.
I'm thinking Bobby all the way here.
Yep.
Elevated, nacho.
This is the fanciest that we've seen. There's some like real hefty pieces of steak on there.
There's some roasted peppers.
Yeah.
But notice
What do
there's
you
some
have,
like
actually?
fajita flavors in here,
I
which is
thought
kind
this
of
was
cool.
cheese, but it's actually
Yeah.
yellow pepper.
Yeah, I actually think the cheese is very moderate on here, but I think the what you also have are the peppers and the steak of what I would think of as a fajita.
The chips aren't toasted like in, I think both of these have toasted chips. So
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Here's my hot take on steak, on nachos. There's too much to get through.
It's a lot of chewing.
The only flavor is really coming from the steak, I think.
Yeah, it's not enough cheese. Also, the cheese isn't like.
It's not very melted.
No, I feel like like these two clearly were like really baked. I feel like I'm not loving this,
No.
which makes me hesitant to say Bobby, even though the steak makes me think Bobby.
Let's just promise that no matter what happens, no matter how many we get right, no matter how many we get wrong, we're still gonna be friends. And we're still gonna eat nachos.
I think that I can promise that.
Now that being said, number one, we said was Guy.
Guy.
At Sneaky Hot Dog.
The hot dog, yes, I still agree.
Number one, we're saying Guy.
All right, here we go.
What?
Oh, wow, okay.
What? Rachael Ray.
Oh my God, Rachel.
Okay. And we kind of said that. We were thinking like maybe Rachel
Should've.
Guy.
Huh.
That crazy hot dog was Rachael Ray's invention.
So this one's gotta be Guy,
Yeah.
right?
Please be Bobby. It is Bobby.
Okay.
All right, we got one.
Bobby Flay.
Oh. Nothing about this really screams Bobby Flay to me, but
Yeah. What's that?
is that a... Bobby loves blue corn.
How
See?
would I know these things?
You learn something new
I need
every
flashcards.
day.
Well, we could still be in it with Ree, right?
Guy Fieri.
Guy Fieri. All right.
Okay.
He really threw me on that one. I did not expect it.
Dang it! We are not. We're so wrong. We got all four wrong.
Wow.
That's okay.
And number four.
Number four then is
That's
our,
Ree.
our
All
girl
right.
Ree.
Yeah.
This steak,
This
yeah, that
steak.
makes sense.
All right. Well, I feel like a total failure today on Taste Test, but not because we get paid and we eat nachos, and that's what we do.
That's true.
Yeah. That being said, I mean, these nachos were fabulous, like super delicious. You're gonna go, yeah, I feel like I have to go in for another one of these too. I really enjoyed those.
I want to go with Bobby's.
I do too,
the
yeah.
Salsa Verde was really
so
a big hit,
good.
and even though there's no meat on there, I still love them. And the layering of the cheese.
You didn't need the meat, kind of.
No,
I
not
felt like
ex-
it was like actually okay without it.
If you like these recipes as much as we did, you can find them all below. Don't forget to give us a like. We love to hear what you want us to eat next time on Taste Test, so let us know in the comments. We'll see you next time.